Hello friends, welcome to our channel GK Earth English, where we challenge your brain with some exciting general knowledge questions. Today, we will explore 20 multiple choice general knowledge questions that will challenge your mind and spark your curiosity across a variety of topics. Are you ready? Let's start. Question number 1. Which country is known as the land down under? Option A, New Zealand, B, Australia, C, Fiji, and D, Argentina. The correct answer is Australia. Australia is famously known as the land down under because it's located in the southern hemisphere, literally down under the equator. When viewed on most world maps, the nickname also reflects the country's unique wildlife, laid-back culture, and distinct geography. Question number 2. Which country is located in both Europe and Asia? A. Russia, B. Greece, C. Italy, and D. Ukraine. The correct answer is Russia. Russia is the largest country in the world and is stretched across both Europe and Asia. About 77% of its land mass is in Asia, while the remaining 23% lies in Europe. Another country that fits this category is Turkey. Question number 3. Which creature is known as the king of the Arctic? A. Penguin, B. Polar bear, C. Arctic fox, and D. Beluga whale. The correct answer is polar bear. The polar bear is widely known as the king of the Arctic. They are apex predators living in the Arctic region and hunting seals for food. Their dominance in the Arctic ecosystem, along with their impressive size and strength, have earned them this title. Question number 4. What is the origin of belly dancing? A. Egypt, B. Turkey, C. Morocco, and D. Greece. The correct answer is Egypt. Belly dancing is a Middle Eastern dance with roots in ancient Egypt, the Middle East, North Africa, and the Mediterranean. It's characterized by the torso and hip movement and have evolved into various styles throughout different regions. While often associated with entertainment, it was historically linked to the fertility ritual and celebrations. Question number 5. Which year was Bitcoin first introduced? Option A, 2005, B, 2007, C, 2009, and D, 2010. The correct answer is 2009. Bitcoin was first introduced in 2009. It was created by an unknown person or group using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. The idea was first outlined in a white paper published in October 2008. But the Bitcoin network officially launched on January 3, 2009, when the first block called the Genesis block was mined. Question number 6. What is the maximum supply of Bitcoin? A. 21 million coins, B. 50 million coins, C. 100 million coins, and D. 1 billion coins. The correct answer is 21 million coins. Question number 7. Which fish has a light emitting organ and can produce its own light? A. Lateranfish, B. clownfish, C. angelfish, and D. pufferfish. The correct answer is lanternfish. Lanternfish are small deep sea fish known for their ability to produce light through special organs called photophores. These photophores are scattered along their bodies and emit a bluish or greenish light. which help them with camouflage, communication, and attracting nets. Question number 8. Which country is known as the land of fire and ice? A. Greece, B. Iceland, C. Japan, and D. New Zealand. The correct answer is Iceland. Iceland is called the land of fire and ice because it has a stunning mix of volcanoes and glaciers packed into one small island nation. It sits on mid-Atlantic ridge, making it one of the most volcanic active places on Earth with erupting volcanoes. Question number 9. Which country boycotted the 1980 Summer Olympics held in Moscow? A. United States, B. France, C. Germany, and D. United Kingdom. The correct answer is United States. So the United States led a boycott of the 1980 Summer Olympics in Moscow in protest of the Soviet invasion of Afghanistan in 1979. About 65 countries joined the US in either fully boycotting the game or participating in alternate ways. Some athletes competed under the Olympic flag rather than their national flags. Question number 10. What is the fastest fish in the ocean? A. Marlin, B. Swordfish, C. Sailfish, and D. Tuna. The correct answer is sailfish. So the fastest fish in the ocean is the sailfish, capable of reaching speeds up to 68 miles per hour. Its streamlined body and powerful muscles, along with its sail fin, allow it to move through the water with incredible speed and agility. Question number 11. QR code were first developed by which company? A. IBM, B. Google, C. Apple, and D. Densowave. The correct answer is Densowave. QR code were first developed in 1994 by Densowave, a subsidiary of the Toyota Motors Corporation, to track automobile parts during the manufacturing process. Question number 12. Which country granted women the right to vote nationwide after World War I? A. United States, B. United Kingdom, C. France, and D. Germany. The correct answer is United States. So the United States granted women the right to vote nationwide after World War I with the passage of the 19th Amendment to the US Constitution. This historic amendment was ratified on August 18 in 1920 and is officially gave women the right to vote in all federal and state elections. Question number 13. Which dynasty was responsible for most of the construction of the Great Wall of China? A. Tang Dynasty, B. Han Dynasty, C. Ming Dynasty, and D. Qing Dynasty. The correct answer is Ming Dynasty. Question number 14. Which country has won the most overall Olympic medals in history? A. United States, B. Russia, C. China, and D. Germany. The correct answer is United States. Question number 15. What is the medical term for high blood pressure? A. Hypotension, B. Hyperglycemia, C. Hypertension, D. Hypoglycemia. The correct answer is hypertension. The medical term for high blood pressure is hypertension. It happens when the force of the blood against the wall of arteries is consistently too high. If left unrated, hypertension can lead to serious health problems like heart disease, stroke, and kidney damage. Question number 16. What is the most venomous fish in the world? A. Lionfish, B. Stonefish, C. Pufferfish, and D. Moray eel. The correct answer is stonefish. The stonefish is considered the most venomous fish in the world. They are found in shallow waters of the tropical Indo-Pacific and possess venomous spines on their dorsal fin, which can cause excruciating pain and even death if injected into human. Question number 70. Which of the following marine animal is known for its ability to change colors? A. Sea turtle, B. Jellyfish, C. Seahorse, and D. Octopus. The correct answer is octopus. Octopuses can change color, often described as chameleon of the sea. They use a specialized cell called chromatophorus to rapidly alter their skin color and texture, aiding in camouflage, communication, and potentially even defense. Question number 18. Which African country is known as the cradle of humankind? A. Kenya, B. South Africa, C. Egypt, and D. Ethiopia. The correct answer is South Africa. South Africa is widely recognized as the cradle of humankind due to the numerous and significant fossil finds of early human ancestors in the region. Especially the Cradle of Humankind World Heritage Site located near Johannesburg is home to the largest known concentrations of human ancestral remains. Question number 19. What is the process of adding new transition to the blockchain called A. Mining, B. Trading, C. Minting, and D. Printing? The correct answer is mining. The process of adding new transitions to the blockchain is commonly referred to as mining. This involves verifying transitions, creating new blocks, and adding them to the chain. Essentially, miners compete to solve a complex cryptographic puzzle, and the first to solve it get to add the next block transition to the blockchain. Question number 20. What is the color of an aircraft black box? A. Black, B. Orange, C. Red, and D. Yellow. The correct answer is orange. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our latest videos.